guys, welcome back to a new video. So you might have seen a few weeks ago I unboxed this helmet here. It's a Supervent V2, and the little HANS clips that I just showed you need a HANS device, and that is what I'm going to be unboxing today. And I got it from Simpson Race Products Europe. So here it is. Here is the HANS device in this nice little box. It's got some little demos on there. And firstly, before I open this, this was like, it was so quick to get. You have to like get it custom made just so you know you don't want your head flying off. So I'm just going to show you like around and how this fits onto the helmet and how it's going to keep me from not dying, you know. So basically, when my head goes forward in the helmet, it might like snap my neck here, which is obviously where it would end really badly for me. So this kind of holds my head, but it still allows me to like turn my head because obviously I've got to look out my window. So anyway, let's take this out of the box. So Simpson sent me this sticker here with a manual, and they also sent me some bubble wrap to do that with for about an hour. So let's open this manual and read it, and then put the HANS device on. Alrighty, so now I have read the manual, I know how to put this on. So it looks like it's like a jacket sort of thing. So if I put one arm through here, and then if I go the other arm through this one here, it should sort of come in like this. And now this is sort of adjustable here, so this is like adjusted to fit around my waist. Then just clip it in there, and now these clips, one here and one here, are going to fit onto my helmet, which I'll show you in a sec, and then I should be good to go. Okay, so what you have to do is you get the little clip. Obviously this would be on my head and this would be around my waist, but just to show you guys taking it off, so you put this little bit around here and then you press it down a bit, and then it should slide on like that. So if you have it where the arrow is pointing backwards, that little arrow there, then it'll clip on nicely. And then obviously you do the same with the other side. So I'm just going to pop that on. Well, I'm actually going to get my dad to help me put that on. And then I'm going to show you how it looks with it on, and how I can sort of turn my head whilst I'm drifting, but also not make my head go flying. So anyway guys, I'm just going to show you that. Alright, so I've got this on now, and I can look out my window that way. I can look out my window that way to see the person next to me while I'm drifting. But also, if I go forward like that, it stops me, so my head is not going to snap anywhere. So I still have the movement of looking right to left, up and down, but if I'm going to go forward, then obviously it's not going to snap my neck at any point. Alright, so now I have helmet hair, but anyway guys, this is going to keep me so safe. It needed to be for the 2020 regs of Drift Cup for me to have a HANS device, but everyone agreed that it would be a bit safer if I had it on for this year as well. So that is the HANS hybrid device, and it was actually like, it's not too much of a hassle to get on. It's literally just clip it in, clip it onto your helmet, and you're good to go. So yeah, we've obviously drifting, it's really fun, but obviously it's a bit dangerous, so you've got to stay safe when you're driving obviously. That's why I've got obviously the roll cage and stuff like that. But we also had to get like my height measurements in the car, because obviously I'm smaller than an average adult. So like I had to send them my seat size, and literally this guy was so helpful. He was like, okay, we need 40 millimeters of high density sponge. So I was a bit higher in my car like this, and it actually felt a lot better. And obviously seat number and all that, and just making sure I'm all safe. He took photos of me in the car just to make sure I'm not like, you know, sitting on the floor like this, looking up. But anyway, I am now like perfectly safe in my car, and also it's quite comfortable with that sponge underneath me. But anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you want to see more like this, just comment down below like, oh, I really like the unboxing, because obviously a bit of feedback is always helpful for me. But until next time guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!